tell the fish.
Alright, Moft sent me another product for me to review right here. As you can see, this big chungus. There's a big box and it's pretty freaking heavy as well. So very excited to review this. This is a product that I've been very interested in when I first saw it on their website, and I'm glad that they were nice enough to send me one to review. So yeah, if you haven't seen any of my previous Moft case reviews, do check them out first. Link in the description. If you want to buy those products, also the link will be given where you check them out. You can insert the discount code NOTVADER15 for 15% discount on those products. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, there's a lot of tape. I'm gonna need something to cut this open. Okay, managed to cut it open. Anything else? There's something else inside here. This is oh, Moft sent me two things. Oh, they also sent me a Snap tablet stand. Interesting. Okay, right. If you haven't seen my previous video, I did a review on the Moft tablet stand. Not sure you can see it. And this one is a blue colored one. Very nice. Alright, if you want to purchase this, link in the description. You want to see a review on this, link to that video also in the description. So yeah, I'm gonna set this aside. Alright, this is the guy that I have been waiting for. You guys see that? So this is the Moft Z 5-in-1 laptop stand. Remember the previous video when I did the invisible laptop stand that I did before? Very nice product, very minimalistic. I loved it. 2 angles, great. But this guy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different angles, and I am excited to check this out. Alright, according to the website and also the box, it comes in 4 different colors. So it comes in black, gray, orange, and blue. And apparently they sent me the blue one. Interesting. Okay. If you weren't aware, online classes and working from home became a thing, like a huge thing, since COVID came to this planet. And ever since, people have been trying to find ways to, you know, work comfortably at home. And this guy, I believe, will help very much. Let's unbox this. Strip. Anything else? Alright, nothing much. Set the box aside. Okay. You lift this. Very nice. And you're greeted with the product with a couple of paperwork inside a plastic case. Hold on. Alright. Very nice. Ooh, I like the texture on this. Okay, let's put this aside. We've got a thank you note by Moft for purchasing their products. Thank you, Moft, for sending this to me to review. And I assume this is or is the instructions on all the modes you can try. So this is the laptop stand, as you can see right over here. It's very easy, very simple, but as you can see, there's a lot of interesting things going on over here. Among the angles that this guy can do is a 25-degree angle, a 35-degree angle, a 45-degree angle, a 60-degree angle, and the main feature of the case, the standing mode. Yes, this thing has a standing mode. So if you saw the previous laptop stand that I did a review on, that had a 15-degree angle and a 25-degree angle. This guy goes way above. All right, if you open this up, all right, there you go. This is how it looks like unfolded. So you got the blue interior, got a leather feel to it. on the colored side, outside, or should I say the inside, it's got sort of like a, I'm not sure what they call this material, but you usually get it in your bags, in your backpacks. Very nice, a lot of friction, and it's got 2 tabs here, which I assume is where you slot your the bottom side of your laptop, so it's gonna stay, because there's a lot of high angles over here. I'm pretty sure this material is not gonna stop it from falling, so this guy is going to do the job, and let's see how we do it. Okay, let's try 25-degree angle right now. Okay, you open it up like this, and then you put it in a Z. Oh, and this goes like that. Ooh. Okay, so okay, well, you can't see this. Right, this is a 25-degree angle. Okay, this is the lowest angle that it comes in. So if you want to compare with this guy, there you go, 25-degree on the Moft Z stand, 25 degrees on the Moft invisible stand. This is the highest this can go. Alright, look at that. Stays on pretty well. I guess from this angle you don't really need to use the tabs because it's not really doing it. So I mean, this angle is familiar. I've used it before. Got a really nice typing angle, pretty decent. Very nice. That was the 25-degree angle. Now we're gonna go a little bit higher. Okay, from this angle all I gotta do is okay, so I'll go further and then I put it like that. Oh, just like that. Oh, it's a slot over there. Okay, so now it's in a 35-degree angle. Right, there you go. Look at that. So this tab is the only thing that's keeping it on, other than the friction from the material. I guess the main question is how long this little flap is gonna last in the long run, because it's gonna be holding on to heavy laptops, because in Moft's advertisement it's usually showing notebooks and MacBooks, those light laptops that are capable to handle the stress. It's cool to see that a pretty heavy gaming laptop is capable to withstand this angle. 35 degrees, huh? Ooh, this is a very nice viewing angle. So the webcam is a lot more higher, which means viewing angle is amazing already on this angle. So your viewing angle to the screen is already improved drastically and you can kind of see the screen. You don't need to slouch anymore. If you have a slouching problem, this guy's gonna help a lot. So the screen is like directly, it's not exactly to your face, but it's much more higher for you to view stuff. Very nice, I love it, I love it. All right, now let's go even higher. All right, so this time, oh, this time it goes like this. So from this angle, all I gotta do is put it here and like that. Oh, so now we're in the 45-degree angle. All right, I'm kind of worried right now, if I'm gonna be honest with you. All right. Ooh, okay, the flap is bending even more now, but it's holding on. Ooh, hello. Right, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but this is how the laptop looks. Not touching it. Give a little shake test. Right, a little Hurricane 10.0. No, I'm not gonna do that. It's pretty steady. I'm like trying to push it down. This thing is pretty strong for now. Alright, as for typing angle, I mean, it's still doable. You can still type from this angle. I'm not sure. You know what? It's actually kind of comfortable typing with this angle. Weirdly enough. So I guess for this angle, you have the option to have like a separate keyboard, separate wireless or wired keyboard if you want. Mouse on the side. Oh, this is a very, I like this. Ooh, this is very nice. This is very, very nice. Type over here. You can kind of game at this angle. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, it works pretty well. There you go, 45-degree angle. This is how it looks like for you guys. I'm not sure you can see it. It's very high, as you can see. This is me sitting, extended. Yeah, this is the 45-degree angle. Very nice. Now we're gonna go for an even higher angle, the 60-degree one, which is the one that I'm kind of worried about, if I'm gonna be honest with you. You gotta pop this one this time. How do I do that? Oh, okay, there you go. Now this one goes here like that. Ooh. Oh, so this one will go inside like that. There are magnets in this stand. So, okay. So, the 60-degree angle. This is ridiculous. Slip it into the slot, and it is alright. Since my laptop has a pretty extendable hinge, it can go to around 180 easily. Ooh, there's a little bit of, I mean, it's still holding on. It's still solid. It's bending this a lot. It's still holding on somehow. So this is how the Lenovo Legion 5i looks like at a 60-degree incline. This is how it looks for you guys. It's just, this is insane. It really is. So, can you type at this angle? You can, but it's getting uncomfortable at this point. So at this angle, it's mainly for viewing stuff, or you know, you need a separate wireless keyboard to go with this. I really like the angle. Will I use this angle? I'm not sure, because it's very high, I'll give it that, but I'm gonna be honest, I think I'll stick to the 35 or 45-degree angle if I really need it. But this is a nice option to have. This is an interesting workflow. So you got your iPad over here, you got your laptop over here, then you have like a wireless keyboard that's able to switch between the iPad and your laptop. That'll be pretty sick. Wow, I'm digging this. As you can see right over here, just after a couple of use, the flap is already, it's getting a bit loose, but Moft claims that this thing is pretty strong and it will last long. We'll see about that. For now, it's doing the job. It's got 2 flaps, so I think, if I'm not mistaken, this thing works with the iPad as well. I'm not sure if it works with this case or not. There you go, it works. So if you want to draw stuff with the, if you want to draw stuff or take notes on the side, you can use this case with your iPad as well. Good. Alright, now comes the main event, the angle that I am excited about. Alright, let's just open it. Alright, so now we're at this angle. Also, this pops off. Ooh, this thing's like an origami. This thing stays that way. This thing goes like that, and this thing goes like, wow. Okay. Does this need to be open? No, it doesn't. Okay, there you go. All right. I'll be honest with you that if you put a lot of pressure on one part, it's gonna topple. A moment of truth. Pretty stable. So this is how it looks like with the desk fully extended to my height, because I'm pretty tall and huge. So this is how it looks like in stand mode, in a proper stand mode. So the way I see this being used is, you've had a long day of working or online classes and you just want to stretch your legs. Well, prop it up to this mode and you can work while standing. So for a typing angle in stand mode, this is the ideal angle for your hands to be when you're typing stuff. Now if you have the means to have like a secondary screen, you can put it above a little bit higher so you can view stuff, or have a secondary screen, whatever you want. I like it a lot. Now will this work with an iPad? I don't think so, because if you can see right away, there's actually a hole right here. I mean, you can put it like that, but can you put it like this? Nope. Nope, you can't. This won't work with this case, because yeah, maybe other cases with a wider base, you can cover this hole. Maybe it can work. This one, not so much. Yeah, God knows how long online classes are gonna be, but I'm gonna admit this guy's gonna help me a lot. So after you're done, after a long day, just take your laptop off. If you want to keep it, you can just unfold it as so. In your backpack, you can keep it in the side, put it in your bookshelf, anything you want. So that's the Moft Z 5-in-1 sit stand desk. This guy comes in at around $59 US. Very, very pricey, but for the features and the quality of this, I gotta say it's pretty worth it. If you want a discount, you can put my user code NotVader15 and get a discount on this stand. It's very nice. I love it. I love this so much. After using the Moft invisible stand, I've been using that every day. Love it, but now I'm gonna be using this guy for sure. So that's all I can do for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Do leave a like and comment down below on what you think is the best sit stand desk you've seen other than this Moft one. Maybe I'll do a review on that and compare the both. Who knows? And of course, most importantly, do leave a subscribe, because that's the only way that is enabling me to do videos like this. So yeah, that's all I can do for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Moft, for sending me this amazing laptop sit stand desk. Hope I can do more videos with you guys. I'm excited to see what you send next. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.